You know what they do. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we welcome all of you to come to the late night show. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. We love you, we love you. Easy to do that.
We love you.
We love you, we love you. Okay, we welcome everybody come. How on a day take go? My own go very kajad. Easy bit up say your day will go very well. Very well. That's why on top of the late night show, they make sure say we just make Muna nights go very sweet and beautiful. As it be like this, we get many people in the building.
Straight up.
And today show will be a pack one, back to back. We kind of go the old school things. We'll see bring that come the present. And they'll go on surprise things for everybody. On top, a very wonderful guest. We can speak a pidgin English. You are going to be confused yourself. Even you'll be chalk priced. You'll be chalk priced on the whole level. Okay, so, but I just sit back relax. On top of the day today, Mayweather. Recently, one G's just enter for ground now. Based on a win, he just win. We're go hear everything on top of the day. At the same time, one other parlor where they deceive men, ladies them. We're go hear the G's for Cocoa of the day. So now sit back, relax. Don't forget, on top Twitter at W Late Night Show. Reach there, follow us, and then make we relate. Okay, so no go anywhere. The show don't start now. Tell everybody for us. Say the show don't start with on Bolo. And of course, on the whistle of Steel DJ Easy Beat. Won't go there when they come back now. Nothing they happen. Okay, now welcome back. Now still the late night show, and as it be like this, ladies and gentlemen, we don't enter the segment, so we they call the Cocoa of the Day.
Tell them the cocoa, I make a tell them the cocoa.
You they think
tell them the cocoa, I make a tell them the cocoa.
Okay. All right, easy bit. We'll on it. So today we're not going to do all those slow motion things again and everything. We are born again Christians now. We are changing our mind on top of the whole thing. Easy bit, Cocoa. Number one. Hey. All our women, when they go up and down, they look for love. Say you don't say this thing, they put people for trouble. Many women they are looking for love that is going to put them for trouble because your heart is very tender and very, you know. See, people don't watch 50 Shades of Grey finish now. They want to form exploits. Don't they try things. Meanwhile, not be your strength, your energy, your composure, your kind thing be that. You see, say for 50 Shades of Grey for the book or for the movie, people they hang leg, they do here, on top say touchlighting things. But now people want to try them now. And
for real life.
For real life. Now for Bodo Yibo, 68-year-old man, parallel. Based on say just watch 50 Shades of Grey finish, one reason I say I fit do business with this thing. Never look this man, if he be Igbo man. Say I can do business with this. But the action no go talk to na Igbo man because he can't do one bad thing. Now he go to convince women on top like facing book. Put one picture of one young guy. Boom, there the guy get muscle, get very on point guy. If you see the guy very gather muscle, they very hot.
How many years you say the man be?
68-year-old pale.
Oh,
he go come put the picture there. So any babe where they follow the chat now, you know say women now, when they don't say biceps, they say how? Nah, this guy hot.
So black and handsome.
Tall, dark and handsome. You understand? They can't see the chest, can't see six pack. Love catch them. Wow, how are you? How you did? I would like to see you. I'd like to meet you. Him now they do that and apaleo. You call the tell and say, look, I promise you, I will give you 50 Shades of Grey style. I was that they don't the reason they say, oh wow, it could be my fantasy to pass. But for the whole thing now, they call the reason the man now go come convince them. And so for this 50 Shades of Grey, not be the normal kind of torchlighting they do.
They do anyhow.
If you just tie your eye,
they do anyhow.
You know, just do you anyhow. And some people they like the anyhow thing based on the evil spirits where they worry them and the witchcraft things that's operating. You understand now? On top of that level now, The guy go tie their eye, carry them enter inside dark room. Now the palace now. So the women don't know what they happen.
And the palace they do the whole thing at the end of the day.
Now him be the person where they last do the torchlighting thing. You understand? So they come, they convince them, they confuse them. See palace for left. See the guy picture for the right. Now you come and confuse people. All the women now, Oju Kokoro and long throat when they worry them on touch that kind of level, go come carry them reach there. They go enter some dark place. The palace just come for their back, say don't turn around. They say no go turn around. You carry to your tie their eye. You carry the enter. Shop am.
You shade their grade.
So where you are for call gas, one particular woman say, no, I want to see you. I want to see the guy in the Facebook. From there, the man they say, no, you don't have to see me. Now the mystery for the whole sweetness be that. Now lie, you the man not agree. The man can say, as they do the giddy torchlight, you can't feed the guy body. He say, this will get pot belly now. I want to see 6-pack. Now I'm just pack there for here.
This one wrinkle.
This one wrinkle. Got they feel everywhere, Nothing, not here. Touch the face, nothing. See this guy. And she tie her eye. Do. Inside the darkness, you come manage just come on eyes small. Now she see the guy. Hey! Pale! That's it, Yawa Gaso. Now police have involved for the whole thing. Say, come, all this particular matter now. Say, see how. But my own for this whole gist now. Women. If una know say, not be say if una know say, women are very, very, you are tender. Your emotion sometimes they do like this. So you don't be very careful for the things what you do for on top Facebook.
Why you blame? Why you blame women?
I don't blame women. I say women first. Make I face them first.
Okay.
Because for the whole level first. Now the women. He said you do it for 342 women. 342 women. Now I do this thing for.
When 50 Shades of Grey come out, the book.
You go surprised. No, the book don't come out today now. Now the movie just come out number 2 today.
The man not get work.
Now what be work be this? This is definitely they pay am on top the whole level. Say I will bring your fantasy to pass.
Oh shit.
So this whole thing make women they very careful. Say love the catch you on top internet. Okay, be very very careful. Then for the man, for this particular man in concern too, please. I hope say police go catch you final because na badness thing you don't do on top the whole thing. So easy be just call your for female friends. Then we don't hook up online. If you be say they don't go for this kind of trap. Just advice for everybody waiting for us, okay? Be very careful. All right, so Coco number 2.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Now, Floyd Mayweather. Pacquiao.
I won't hear that gist.
This particular gist now, see, still based on, no. See, everybody, I always talk this one thing, be very careful. You go need to use wisdom. They do many things for your head and for your brain.
Yeah.
In never to take away Floyd Mayweather and in baby mama, now be the woman we born picky for him. They get one kind of issue. You get. So the kind based on the whole gist, they will get some kind of problem. Now Floyd enter based on jealousy things. He just enter the babe house one day. as he just fall in the boa, he just brush him.
He brush your babe.
He brush the babe. They can't carry and go to prison. He just spend some.
With all those emozo.
And I thought the most they say brush him anyhow. Based on that one now, he enter jail for some time, about 2-3 months or so. If I can come out, I can continue everything on top in fights and promotion and all that.
Yeah.
But I can come and talk say that the woman they on drugs. He shall talk many things. Say the woman they on drugs. Say she talk to you. He just blame the woman for everything. Now, as he don't win the fight now, for the 100 million where he supposed to carry, the woman not come out now and say, man, come, Oga, you brush me, now lie for my head, though. Say you don't cause damages on me. Say now, I sue you to court for 20 million.
Now wow.
Now real wow.
Now wow.
She not come out settle.
Not talk settle.
You just the way make I see.
Okay, what if one na paka come beat your husband?
But say for boxing, whether na you win or na you lose, you get your bar. Your bar there on ground for you.
Steady.
So they beat on your eye fall down. You see collect small bar. You get small money for that. You go treat your eye, treat your falling lips and everything. But for this one, now she just chill.
The guy arrange first.
Pour $100 million don't falling for the guy account. Closer, now they be fall out. They say here now na court things. But at the end of the day, they never finalize on the whole thing. When they do the whole court process, now we can't know.
She go call
final.
She go call
Don't be woman.
She go call it.
Based on the whole brushing for the past.
She go call it.
She go. But anyway, which way, Floyd Mayweather, congratulations to you. But one final gist day for the Coco Extra. Coco number 3.
I'm in love with the Coco.
Now, this one will be plenty G's, but it's a surprising thing for me. You understand? No, plenty G's.
I like that one, Coco Extra.
Najama, Coco Extra. Coco Extra.
Yeah.
Coco. No, I'm going to call her now. Coco Extra.
Coco Extra.
Now, Coco Extra. This one, person will go marry recently. Never to take some Saturdays back. You know, Najama, no. And one guy just put his brother picture on top a twister. Say the brother married 2 women at the same time, back to back, beautiful women.
They know?
I don't know that they know themselves. But the Coco be say, this one now, when some people they find one fine wife, person was greedy enough to marry 2.
They're too fine.
My brother, 2 fine, we see the picture. 2 fine women back to back. Everybody now know in timetable. You now you go do Monday, this one go do Tuesday, that one go do Wednesday. Maybe everybody come join do weekend. Contribution.
We're a big boy.
Now big boy, now but just is slim.
See your face.
See your face now.
He didn't look like she don't know listen to me, Abby.
And now, okay, but congratulations to you, whoever you is. We just pray say God will give you the muscle and everything to handle 2 women because we know the thing they be. All right, so for you, we'll come on top the Coco. Feel free any comments when you get on top the guy we go to deceive women and about 50 shades of grey and everything on top is in book to define love on top that side. And make you just follow us on top our Twitter page to be at W Late Night Show. All right, or whether the floor, may whether oh no, you get out to chook on top. Just go there, go follow us, discuss everything, and we go follow you relate. All right, so for now, we go match break for here. We go on this break, we'll come back, we'll get our first guest in the building. Not go any. Anything for love. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I get my first guest in the building. She don't follow me sit down. This is my guest now Oyibo woman, but she dey speak pidgin English. I just said I don't see the video just now, what she do with Emma Naira. Ladies and gentlemen, make una help me put our hands together as I welcome Lioness in the building. Lioness, you are welcome.
Thank you for having me.
Correct. Lioness, you want to play? Okay, first and foremost, Lioness, make I first congratulate you on top the fact say you dey speak pidgin English.
Oh, thank you.
The small way they manage to chip in for our own language.
It'd be a great honor to talk now.
Correct. But first, make we first start from there. For most of now we not to know, Lioness not the two they see for a vision things like that. You understand? Physically, you understand, but she they see internally. You they see every point internal. Now we can go see love music and everything. Okay, so she feel not they see for front, but she they see in the internal. So Lioness, now make we first start like this. How you take go enter pidgin English first?
Oh, I go enter pidgin English for London, but I go enter pidgin English called Nigerian music.
Okay, okay, you they watch Nigerian music.
That's so I watch listen to Nigerian music and wow. I they pick up the pidgin English now. And they have Nigerian and Ghana friends in London and they talk pidgin English too. Okay. So that means people when they watch our video, they also they learn our pidgin English. Correct. But you're not from Norway. That's right. Originally, Naso. So, and we see your beautiful song just like that Naso we talk just now. They talk away. You understand? You just say Naso. That's so. So okay, you know we go fit teach you 1 or 2 things. You know, maybe when you don't enter for your performance, you could just shout area. Yeah. You understand? So that one go the sweet people where. You understand? Okay. All right, but quickly, anything for love. You and Emma Naira. Do say aside from this particular song just now, we will see part of the video just now. She other songs them also day where you don't do before now. Other songs I don't do before now. We African Beauty with Orisha Femi. Okay. You don't with Orisha Femi self. Orisha Femi. Then with Orisha Femi self. Okay. And Let's Go Party featuring Lace. Oh, Lace too. That means anytime from now, we're going to see a album from you. Oh, I want to whet the Nigerian appetite for my music, so I did drop album later. I first I go drop singles to them, so everybody knows Lioness or Igbo. They love my music, and when
when I'm very, very well, when they know me well in Nigeria, I did go drop album.
Okay. No, don't hear her now. She said when you don't know her well, for inside Nigeria, she don't launch album. And I go know every. What you now feel about her, Lioness? What will be your Twitter handle first?
I am _Lioness.
At I am_Lioness. So when I just go for our Twitter handle, follow herself, then go for our Twitter handle side. When you reach for there, tell us what you feel about the Lioness when they do a music thing for the pidgin English level. You understand? Now don't see our video just now. The video rich. The video easy bit. You see him. I mean, very rich video.
The song gone follow.
The song said make too much brain. It make too much. Make we see part of the remaining video. Then we come back. Then we'll come out on top everything we concern even a Lioness on top of this show. We dey come back now and we'll see the video. Very lovely video.
Thank you.
Lioness, I dey happy for the fact say you can't launch inside the Naija entertainment this thing. But say you not get any way where your sight issue they worry your music.
Nah, the sight issue be very, very small matter now.
Okay.
Because that your eyes. You need them for practical reason.
Okay.
You don't need your eyes them to see. You can see very well. You experience life very well without your eyes.
Okay.
And there are musicians before me now that can't see at all. Like, you know, I got Ray Charles, Stevie Wonder, Nigeria's own Kobams.
Yes.
So I don't need my sight now at all.
Okay. All right. So as it be like this, you feel see more from the inside than for the outside.
From the outside.
And most of us when they see for the outside, we not go know.
We not go know.
Now we too know pass. Meanwhile, some people say, they see you. Meanwhile, they see for our mind now. Just say we too sabi. Meanwhile, the Lioness they look and say,
But we see things from the outside too, because we see how people smell, how they talk, how they are. So it's not everything from our mind.
All una senses, the remaining senses, they sharp well.
Because you don't have sight. You don't have the eyes working, so you have to develop the senses very, very well.
That means another level. If you be Asian like this, the person you enter house. I know it's not you easy bit.
Yeah, come up from that place.
You don't clean up for days now.
Okay, Lioness. So, what will be the future like now for Lioness for these music things and everything?
Oh, the future for Lioness. They hope to drop something with Kobams very, very soon.
Okay.
And I just want to keep dropping very, very good songs now and do well for the Nigeria market.
Okay.
Do well for international market too, for the UK and hopefully my country. So that's my immediate future. Okay, all right. So now don't hear every from her own side, okay? But finally, which kind of songs then you they do? Oh, I do mainly Afrobeats, but I don't limit myself for one thing. I believe you need to try more things. I do reggae, I do dancehall, I do little R&B. Okay, so you do like patois, for example. If you just try small for us. Patois not be difficult for me, you know. Just black and small for us. Just say something for us, maybe for you feel you. Patois? Yes. You're right, so I'm your girl Lioness. Jobless. Yeah. And I'm here on the Late Night Show trying to speak Patois now. Oh, easy bit. And then feel Lioness. Something good. All right, Lioness, thank you very much. Hey, follow us on top of the show. Thank you so much. And they wish you the best of the best of the best. Thank you. I will not say, with this video where we see, and this song where we hear with you and Emanaira, that means the one will come with Kobams and other people go too wicked. It will be very, very wicked now. Correct. So I say that now so again, now so. Correct. All right, Lioness, thank you very much. Thank you. All right, okay. People waiting for house, make sure to follow her at I am_Lioness. Abi? Correct. Correct. Okay, so follow her for there and we'll go follow Una Relate, of course. And of course, follow us on top our own Twitter handle at Late Night Show. Reach there and make all of us relate again. All right, so easy bit, carry us come out, they come back.